Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Coinbase account under review. So some of you might facing this type of problem in your account that says account under review. Your account is currently being reviewed and we need some time to verify your info. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply come to coinbase.com, and now once you are on this page, you just have to simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you come in the bottom and until you see this type of support section. Over here, you need to simply click on the Contact Us button, and then you will be landed on the Contact Us page of Coinbase. Over here, you just have to simply select Coinbase, and after selecting it, it will ask you to sign in for support. But as we cannot sign in our account, so over here, you will also be able to see this type of chatbot in the bottom right hand corner. So you need to click on this chatbot, and here you just have to start typing the message that you are facing this type of error. Then you will be assigned a Coinbase customer service executive. So you just have to simply tell the problem that you are facing and they are going to help you in this regard. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.